With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, what are effective collisions? We over here are supposed to tell that what are effective collisions. Now, according to collision theory, following criteria must be met in order for a chemical reaction to occur. And the first criteria is that the molecules must collide with sufficient energy. That the molecules must collide with sufficient amount of energy, right, which is we call activation energy, which is what we call activation energy, right? So this is the first criteria, that molecules must collide with the sufficient amount of energy called as activation energy. And the second is that molecules must collide with proper orientation, collide with proper orientation, right? And what do we mean by proper orientation? For example, if the two NO2 molecules are reacting to form N2O4, right, and we are considering it like balls, we have nitrogen, we have oxygen, and we have oxygen. So whenever the orientation of NO2 is like this, right, they are colliding, they would result in a product and would form N2O4 like this. And if, for example, we are taking it like this way, we are keeping this molecule's orientation same, but the orientation of this molecule is like this. We have oxygen in front of nitrogen, and then we have nitrogen, and then we have oxygen like this, right? So they're gonna collide and they would not form any product. So no products would be formed. Why? Because the orientation is not correct and proper, right? So this orientation won't result in product. So the collision that meets these two criterias that we talked about, these two criterias, right, and that results in a chemical reaction is the effective collision, right? So we can say that the collision that meets these above two criteria and that results in a chemical reaction is called as effective collision, is called as effective collision. So this is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.